In this video, we'll show you how to get started with your Shark BlastBoss cordless blower and how to use the right accessories for both indoor and outdoor jobs. BlastBoss is compact and easy to carry, with precise control for indoor cleaning and plenty of power for outdoor jobs. On the bottom of your BlastBoss, you'll find the variable trigger. Pressing it turns the blower on and starts the airflow. Use the trigger to fine-tune your power. Press lightly for a gentle burst or squeeze fully to unlock the full power of BlastBoss. BlastBoss will turn off automatically after 15 seconds of inactivity. On the top of the device is the mode selector panel and indicator LED. When BlastBoss is on, the LED lets you quickly check your battery status at a glance. The LED glows white when the battery is between 100% and 30% charge, orange between 30% and 5%, and flashing orange when the battery is below 5%, letting you know it's time to recharge soon. For precise, controlled indoor cleaning, flip the switch down to enter indoor mode. You'll see the LED briefly flash blue. When you need more clearing power, flip the switch up to enter outdoor mode. Outdoor mode delivers higher airflow for tougher jobs. To unleash the full power of BlastBoss, just press the boost button. The button glows white when you press it and pulses while boost is active. Boost mode will stay active only as long as you hold the trigger. Release the trigger and BlastBoss exits boost mode automatically. When it's time to charge your BlastBoss, lift the side cover and rotate it open to reveal the charging port. Insert the charging cable to begin charging. The LED will flash to confirm charging is in progress. Your BlastBoss comes with a range of accessories to help you get even more from your cordless blower, with additional options available at sharkninja.com. These include the precision nozzle, dusting brush, extension wand, blast broom, and wand agitator. For tighter, more focused airflow indoors, users can use the precision nozzle. It concentrates the air into a strong, narrow stream. To attach it, simply line up the dot on your BlastBoss with the dot on the nozzle, then insert and twist counterclockwise until it clicks and locks securely in place. To detach, simply reverse the process. For delicate surfaces, switch to the dusting brush. It combines focused airflow with soft bristles for gentle cleaning. Like with the precision nozzle, just line up the dots and twist to lock it in place. And again, to detach, simply reverse the process. For added reach outdoors, use the extension wand so you can clean areas that are normally hard to access. To attach the wand to your BlastBoss, line up the dots, insert, push in until the arrow appears, then twist until it clicks and locks. To remove it, pull the collar away from the unit to reveal the arrow, then rotate clockwise and pull the wand away. You can add the wand agitator to the end of your extension wand to help loosen stubborn dirt in tight spaces. To attach the agitator, line up the slot and tab and push until it clicks. To remove, simply press the release button and pull it off. For tougher outdoor surfaces, use blast broom. The stiff bristles help break up debris so BlastBoss can clear it away. To attach the blast broom, line up the slot and tab and push until it clicks. To remove, simply press the release button and pull it off. Blast broom works great for deckboard crevices, stuck patio dirt, and stubborn wet leaves. You can use your BlastBoss and accessories for a wide variety of tasks, both indoors and outdoors. With indoor mode and the right attachments, BlastBoss gives you precise, targeted cleaning across a wide range of tasks like cleaning under heavy furniture, finding lost toys, cleaning out car seats, inflating air mattresses, blowing out window screens, dusting off your car door pockets, cleaning sensitive electronics, dusting picture frames, blasting dirt off windowsills, and anything else you can think of. Switch to outdoor mode and BlastBoss is ready to help you clean outside too. You can clear cobwebs from the roof, blow out sandy blankets after the beach, clean the campsite, dust your AC unit, clean the door sill and exterior windowsills, clean between boards, tackle clean potting soil spills in the garden, finally blow away stuck on mud and wet leaves, and so much more. You now know everything you need. Choose your mode, pick your attachment, and put your BlastBoss to work.